Yes.
Very slight breeze, really. Hardly notice it.
Crazy, huh?
Yes. Yes.
Alright.
Been a lovely afternoon.
Yes, if playing amongst the graves.
Yes.
And they look at the wonderful view they have. See the big tombstone there in the distance? That's mine. Chris is going to do one for me like that.
Oh, yeah.
Because we all understand that I'm the first to go. Unless I keep eating my chocolate.
Or else he's gonna have a stroke.
I gotta love family.
You said chocolate prevents strokes.
That's right. Can. Yeah.
And
High cocoa amounts.